सो हेलो एवरीवन। आज अपन बात करेंगे एनजी रॉक से कैसे अपन किसी के सिस्टम का एक्सेस ले सकते हैं WAN पे। आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट वैन। WAN, वाइड एरिया नेटवर्क, मीन्स the device outside of the network is being hacked. How to do that? You can do using tunneling mechanisms, which is basically known as awesome tunneling, or you can use NGROK, local to net, to expose the local port on WAN. Now, how you will be doing that? So very easy. First, set up the NGROK. For that, contact or research. Google Partho Pandya. I'll be giving you the steps. You can just follow that step and you can do that thing. So now, let's go on the actual steps. Step 1, open the terminal. Step 2, write NGROK TCP 4444. Step 3, open new terminal. Step 4, write NC-LV-NP 4444. Step 5 will be having the value which we got while doing step 2, replace in the NC code. NC code I'll be providing on my GitHub. I'll be providing you the exe. You just need to like change the NGROK port according to you want. Okay. Other than that, just change the values in the code and send it to the victim. As soon as victim open the Python file, the connection will be established. And also this can bypass Windows Defender. I'll show you like, don't worry about that. So now let's start with it. So first of all, Kali Linux terminal is open, NGROK TCP 4444. Over here, this is the value number 1. Take it to the notepad. Port number value number 2. Value number 2 over here. Then, as of I said, open a new terminal. Just type Ctrl+Shift+T. NC netget lesson verbosity numeric on port number 4444. Now, I do have like ncflive.py ready with me. That is my virus. It is named as nc.py, but it is not actually the netget virus. Don't worry about that. The value is like over here with me, 15361. I just need to change it in my code number 24, line number 24. Removed it, control saved it. Now I have sent this file to anyone in the world. As soon as they will open it, 3, 2, and 1. Over here, I got the whole access of that device. I can perform the task whatever I want. Let's say I'll show you live. So let's say I am currently on. I'll go to desktop. I'll just mkdir Partho is hacker 3, 2, 1. The folder is cleared. Okay, Partho is hacker. Even if I just want to open my notepad, I just type start notepad. For more learning to like make this think persistence. Contact me. You guys can Google me. Thank you for watching. If you want, you can subscribe. But if you don't want, I don't care because it's your loss. You will not learn the real hacking. So if you want, search me on Google, Artho Pandya, or just Psychomong. You will find me out. For more contact, you can just psychomongmedium@gmail.com. Contact me and subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, don't worry. Just share to the people to spread the knowledge. Just to open source.